yabo. So namhlanje mfethu message ngithi grumbling limits your growth. You know,
grumbling limits your growth.
Grumbling limits your growth mfethu. And this one I think is a bit harder or difficult for me because ngiphumile nami I think I was challenged ngale message because yabona mfethu grumbling ingilimithile mina mfethu yabo lento le. So ingakho ngithe namhlanje sikhulume ngayo ngoba ngiyafisa ukuthi omunye umuntu olalele uNkulunkulu amsize. Grumbling mfethu mabechaza bathi complain about something in a bad tempered way. Complain about something in a bad tempered way. That is a grumbling. Complain kukodwa kukho wrong because you can improve the service ngocomplain, but complain in a bad tempered way ikona lokho kwenza sigcine sesiba limited. Khona mfethu umshana nabashana abaningi so lesi sibonele ngizosenza abalalela ngabakwazi ukumphika lo engikhuluma ngayo. Nomjeta sengimhleke for 15 years mfethu, you know. Lensizwa mfethu ina 5 yaphakela ukudla mfethu yabo. Ithe misilethela ukudla yasiyakhala yabo. Ithi lensizwa engeke izukwazi ukudla lokhu kudla ngoba kuningi eplateni, you know. So mfethu yakhala lensizwa bayincenga ekhaya mfethu ina 5 bayincenga mfethu isiko 20 manje ngeminyaka. Bayincenga bathi hayi khehla kulungile mawukuthi ulento lena mfethu kuningi ukudla uzokudla ungaqedi, you know. And then yasiyakhohlwa lensizwa ke bayikhama down yasiyadla mfethu. The funny thing about it ukuthi lensizwa ayishiyanga ngisho inhlamvu eyodwa ye-rice mfethu. Yabo he went all in mfethu, you know. And you know nginokumhleka ngalonto but when I reflect kuyona lento ngiyabona ukuthi igrumbling inayo lento ukuthi imagnify something obhekene nayo ibonakala ngathi into enkulu ongeke uzukwazi ukuyinqoba, you know. But the minute you close indlebe zakho noma ingqondo yakho ufocusa on the task uzithola mfethu usukwazi mfethu ukuthi uyenze lento obuthi uyayenza. Abantu abaningi abane grumbling spirit bayabambezeleka ukuthi bangakwazi ukuyenza into okufana bayenze abe bengakwazi ukuyenza. So i-grumbling mfethu undermines your true potential. Uma une grumbling it's difficult ukuthi ube ne grumbling uphinde ube dedicated ngendlela efanayo. I-grumbling izokulimitha kwi-potential yakho. Namhlanje uma ufuna ukukhula be careful of grumbling, you know. You need to change that mindset yokuthi njalo wena waziwa njengomuntu ohleze ekhala ngayo yonke into ekhona when uyakhalaza. Iphuze elilandelayo mfethu i-grumbling iholela kwi-delay, you know. Yabona mfethu masifunde iBhayibheli khona enye iphathi singayinaki mfethu. iBhayibheli lithi uIsrael the reason why ijourney insuku ezimbalwa yabathatha 40 years it was because of grumbling. Mabefika mfethu baze bakhuluma ezinye izinto uthi why Moses usilethe bephuma kwislavery mfethu. Imagine but why usilethe lana kwi-desert bengekho yena amathuna mfethu eGibhithe ebesingafela kuwo. Why usilethe elento lena e-desert iphi inyama. They were forever mfethu grumbling. Grumbling mfethu ngenzeka ukuthi emsebenzini uhleze ubona ngathi abakuthatha kancane abakubuki kodwa mhlawumbe inkinga yakho i-grumbling. I-grumbling mfethu yakwazi ukuthi ikudelay ugcina ungafikanga because i-grumbling in spirit, it's a spiritual thing. Uma ucomplaina ngisho umphathe ngakuzwanga can feel ukuthi this guy unenkinga la emsebenzini. I-grumbling iyaclouda mfethu ube nalelifo uthi ufika nje in a room kucaca ukuthi sekufika sekufika uthulaneke manje kaze uzokhala ngoba kaze uzocomplaina ngani. That is a grumbling. Ikwenza ugqunqe nasebusweni because we are forever grumbling.
That's why we are here for deliverance.
That's correct. You know, when uzolothi ufuna i-motivation ezokuhype mfethu ithi God will do it. You have what it takes, you will be great. No, let's focus on the grumbling manje. Uthi wena ngenzeka ukuthi uNkulunkulu sekunikile onke amathuluzi but i-problem grumbling because God was taking them to the promised land where there was everything that they needed, but that process of grumbling, abanye bafela kwi-desert. God did not take them to the finish, to the promised land because of the grumbling. From where you are to promotion yakho noma i-promised land, be careful of grumbling. Elinye iphuzu mfethu elingilimaze kakhulu kwi-personal journey yami ukuthi mfethu khona abanye abantu esisebenza nabo abasebenzisa i-grumbling to cripple us. Some people use grumbling to cripple you. Yabona mfethu ngeke ngasebenza nabantu mfethu ngangisanda kuqala nokusebenza kodwa ngiyibone kamuva lento because I've worked for more than 15 years. Ngicela ukisho lento. Khona abantu engathi mangisebenza nabo mfethu masinikeza umsebenzi sinikezwe abaphathi bavasane balandule bathi ayi yazi labaphathi bayahlupha abasinikeza umsebenzi buka nje le task abasinikeze yona mfethu yala abaphathi bethu ba lazy hayi mina ngeke ngiyenze lento lena yabo. There were times vuma mfethu ngiyaconfessa there were times la ngahudula khona inyawo nami ngizwa abantu becomplaina ngomsebenzi ngayitshena uthi hayi nami shutha angingayenzi lento ngathi mase ngithola later on mfethu laba abantu bekufana submit kubo bethi awuthulani yazi wena kuphela ungasubmit
hayi bo Thulani
ngathi hayi bo kanjani what do you mean? What wazubuke? Mangithi ngiyabuka ama-emails labantu abebegramblisha mfethu.
Using this to cripple
They
you,
were crippling me,
to
not
block your destiny.
Wait, they were deliberately crippling me not to excel. Be careful of abantu. Some people use grumbling as a tool. Umefika kwenu uhlezi ethi, "Hey, yazi laba phathi bethu ba lazy." Buka nje mfethu, umphathi wethu uthi asifike ngo-8 kodwa yena ufika ngo-8. They are forever looking at these things. But ngale ngasese they are best buddies with abaphathi. They are using that to delay you, kwi-process to delay you. Be careful of grumbling. Abantu mabegramblisha, uma ungakwazi ukubalalela balalele, but uma weak qhela kubona cause abanye they are using grumbling as a tool ezokwenza wena ugcina ungafikanga. Guide your own heart. Sesiconclude mfethu. Grumbling poison ngalendlela ngithe mangiqala ngathi iyagqunqisa. Khona abantu fethe ngithi mangene office mhlawumbe kufanele ngiyolanda idocument ngibikele ngithi awunkosi ngaze ngavelela because I know that person unomgosi othile oyingxenye ye-grumbling ozongenza ispirit sami sibe down, you know. Yes, yabo lenkaphane why bashintsha ilogo, why kukhona into ethile ayi lenkaphane khona abantu mfethu became greater things ngokuthi bathe mabebona i-environment abebekuyo yangaba right bahamba baya kuma-desktop wabo balungisa ama-CVs ba-applya bahamba ingakaze kuzwakale ngisho nakanye ukuthi hayi bo lo muntu bengekho happy because wabona ukuthi instead of me ukuthi ngibe part of the problem here angihambe ngolungisa i-CV and bahamba abantu instead of grumbling mfethu prepare your CV makuthi indawo kuya ukho right ama-solutions lawo sengiwasho manje sengivala replace i-grumbling with gratitude.
Yes, to learn.
Kungcono kuba nomphathi ongasile mfethu kodwa ubusebenza. Replace i-grumbling with i-gratitude.
Please go back. Kungcono kuba nomphathi ongekho right kodwa uthola ukuthi usanawo umsebenzi.
Usanawo umsebenzi mfethu. Ubusisiwe mfethu makuthi unomphathi ongasile. Angisho ukuthi siyabapromote abaphathi angasile kodwa you are blessed because try this out uma ungangikholwa. Hamba kumuntu ongasebenzi ufike umtshela ukuthi yazi umphathi wami akasile, umphathi wami uyinto kanjani. Uze ukuthi lo muntu uzothini. Uzosho ukuthi yazi kodwa ungcono mfethu yasebenza.
Hey,
hey, they are giving us too much work. Abaphathi ba lazy izinto ofana ngabe zenziwa yibona zenziwa yithina, you know. That's a grumbling spirit. Replace enye into bakuthiwa ufuna uthola i-solution nge-grumbling, replace ilento lena. Replace the challenge with the opportunity. Whenever you're given challenges, bona ama opportunities. That's how you grow. God is love, mfethu. Yabona ingibambile Vumalent, I would be far in life if it wasn't for abantu besebenzisa i-grumbling as a crippling tool. Nami ngibavumela.
Grumbling myself, I've grumbled myself in many areas, including in ministry.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Everywhere.
Even ebandleni masikhuleka noma kufunda noma uNkulunkulu enze into ethile mawulokhu ugrumblisha you're wasting your time uzohlala 6 hours endlini kaNkulunkulu.
Yes.
Yes. Always be grateful for what God has already done.
It's powerful, mfethu. Bazokhulula abantu mfethu. God is love. Grumbling is it's a spiritual thing.
Wow.
Yabona Vuma mfethu, economy South Africa ingabheda, ipolitiki ingabheda. Be careful of ugrumblisha ngezinto njengabantu bezwe. God can still give you blessings despite ukuthi ubani oseyipolitically ngiyakutshena mfethu. But be careful of falling for a grumbling. A grumbling gives that sense of, oh wow, I'm releasing steam. Let me be part of these conversations. And you are being trapped. Be careful of a grumbling. God is love.
Hey, ahambile amavoti aya left and right. Mhlambe kwakuyi grumbling. Someone was grumbling.